Mga kauts, and we are
The Gender Benders!
UTS for UTS, Understanding the
Sam!
We're going to play a game named Charades. So yan, we have the mechanics.
First, ako lang. Second, huwag mo kong iwan. Third, focus ka lang. Cha!
These are the mechanics. Ta-da-da! So we're going to pick two lucky persons. So we're going to act to our game. So yan.
The first person who's going to act is Ken. Hello!
Hello, what's up?
Then I'm going to pick the second.
Hi, I'm Ken.
Then the second person who's going to act is JP.
These are the person that we're going to guess to our players.
Extended South. Mine. Body map.
Almost done to our game, and yan, now we're going to discuss about the words that they have guessed a while ago. Now we're going to discuss what those words that they've guessed a while ago, and I'm going to ask Andre what extended self really is.
First is we have ourself, our embodied self, and then we have our extended self. Our extended self is mostly made of our possessions, like the things that we have, our clothes, our stuff, our phones, etc. And then we have 5 major changes that is brought about the phenomenon of the digital self. First, we have the dematerialization. So, dematerialization is the dematerialization of a material thing. It is to make something material immaterial. For example, letters. Before we have the technology that we have today, we have papers, handwritten letters and etc. But now we can already do that in our mobile phones, in our PCs, in our laptops. We can just encode and make letters and stuff. It's like that. And then also, the change brought about this is, for example, we have different taste in music, and it is used to judge our personality. Before we have our playlist to ourselves, the things that we like, and we have it in CDs, and then we play it. But now, with the technology that we have nowadays, we can share our playlist online, like in YouTube or Spotify and etc.
Another part of extended self in the digital world is re-embodiment. Based on Merriam-Webster, the re-embodiment is the eternity of the soul, past, and the future, once accepted by the mind, leads directly to the construction of the whole scheme of metamorphosis and everlasting succession of birth and deaths, and disembodiment and disembodiments with their loss of personality and fortune.
Connection to embodiment, there is an avatar. Generally, avatar is the embodiment of a person or idea. In computer world, an avatar specifically refers to a character that represents the online user. This avatar can be custom designed to create a truly unique appearance or your ideal self.
Sharing. The web to realize that the internet is a cornucopia of information, entertainment, images, films, and music, mostly all free for accessing, downloading, and sharing with others.
Computer science, distributed memory refers to multiprocessors, computer system in which each processor has its own private memory. So, computational tasks can only operate on local data, and if remote data is required, the computational task must communicate with one or more remote processor.
Interaction of digital self is like inviting comments, suggestion, or feedback through social media. This involves online tagging and endorsements, while testing or evaluating the looking glass self theory of Cooley, which is the thinking about how people think of us. This act of commenting in your post by your social media friends can be interpreted as, "Hi, I am still your friend and I still care about you," which is said by Lauren 2008.
Going to have our general reflections.
So first of all, what I've learned today is that what we are on our personal lives is completely different when we are online. For example, when we play games, we tend to act what we want to be seen as. For example, in our personal lives, we are seen as boring people, we don't talk much. But when we go online, we become the self that we want to be. For example, I want to be seen as cool, so I will customize my character to be this and that, to be great in swords fighting and etc.
General, most of the millennials in our age are attached in this platform, which is the digital world.
Our mobile phones are instrument to express ourselves, like how we use our Facebook. Through Facebook, we can express ourselves, or like Twitter, we can tweet our feelings or our emotion. We can share our thoughts in Twitter.
Almost done!
Yay!
We're almost done and sir, bakin naman, flat one! Bye! Ay, anyway, we are the Oots, the Gender Bender 69. Bye!